Hi, my name's Tony from Bathroom Spare Parts. And today we're going to try and figure out what type of tap you have in your bathroom. How do I identify what kind of tap I have? I'll show you three variations. There's obviously more out there, but these are the most common ones really. This one's a monobloc lever with a cartridge. As you can tell, left to right, up and down. So that's got a plastic cartridge in it. This is a ceramic disc, quarter turn. Quarter turn on to off. So these have cartridges in here, obviously different turning, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise. Then the more old-fashioned style, which is a washer valve, these are full turn. So as soon as you start turning more than once, you know you've got an old, what they call an old-fashioned washer valve, which has a rubber washer that sits on the seating of the tap in here. The other taps are what they call pillar taps, and that's when you have two individual holes in the basin or the sink. You can have two individual taps. Same sort of styles, some will be washer, some will be quarter turn, some will be the cartridge type. Not many cartridge type, because obviously you've got two separate taps. So the other thing is, people often say, is what's the difference between a mixer tap and a monobloc tap? The difference between a mixer tap and a monobloc. A monobloc is like a single hole, but it can be a mixer. That's a mixer tap, that's a mixer tap. It's where the water mixes in the spout. So individual taps on basins and bars are pillar taps. They're not mixer taps because they're individual hot and individual cold. How do I know if my tap's ceramic or compression? You can tell very easily by how far the handles turn. All the ceramic discs are quarter turn. You move it a quarter turn from full on to full off, whereas the washer valves are full turn. To open them, you turn, 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 and same back. And these have the rubber washer inside them at the end of a brass cartridge. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more how-tos and plumbing tips.